in the engine. We had to stop on the freeway here. We were down in Dallas for a wedding and we just hopped on the freeway when all hell broke loose. Come here, I hear you.
I hear it.
We hear this meow.
More like a howl.
Meow.
Come here, Grady.
I asked Andrew, is there a cat in our car?
First of all, Christine had already adopted him and named him before we even saw him.
Yes. We pull over and sure enough, Andrew pops the hood and...
I swear to God, I cannot see this thing. It's in the engine. I hear you, but I can't see you. You have to come this way. Come on. We called the fire department because we didn't know what else to do. Help's coming.
They were with us for
almost an hour.
45 minutes to an hour, trying to help us, trying to think of different strategy.
Coaxing him with dog treats. Come here, come on.
See him poke his head out, but there was no way he was gonna fit his little body out of that tiny little hole.
Can't we ever just have a normal road trip?
No.
One of the firemen said, you're gonna have to take this to a dealership or a mechanic. They're gonna have to take the car apart.
Luckily, there's one half mile up the road. Firefighters blocking the traffic. The fire department had blocked the traffic for us and let us kind of just creep forward off the exit about a mile up, which was stressful.
Super slowly.
You have a cat in the engine and you have to close the engine, start it up again. I don't think this thing's gonna survive in there.
It broke our hearts. I just kept saying, meow.
Come on, kitty, meow. We want to make sure you're okay.
We pulled into the service station and I said, I'm not sure if you're gonna like this or not, but I have a cat in our engine.
They said, call so-and-so, he's the cat whisperer.
Is this your
I
first
want to
time?
get alive.
How blasé he was about it. Threw me for a loop.
It was probably 5 minutes the car was up on a lift.
They could see where he was and they were trying to figure out, okay, maybe if we take the wheel off and then the wheel guard.
Yeah, buddy. Woo-hoo! Got him. When he finally came out, it was just a relief. The compassion of everybody was just overwhelming. It was great. We still had to drive all the way back to Seattle, and it's not an easy drive.
I think Dallas pooped and peed on me more on that trip than he did on the puppy path that we got him. After that, of course, our mom, you know. He adopted us. He chose our car. He was meant to be part of our family. And I already named him Dallas. That's just one more kitty that now has a good life.